Welcome to my detailed review of Merrill Edge, the brokerage platform backed by Bank of America. If you're considering this platform for your trading or investing needs, this video will provide everything you need to know, based on my real experience. Let's dive in and explore whether Merrill Edge is the right broker for you. Starting with the advantages, Merrill Edge offers seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, making it a strong option for current Bank of America customers. Its platform is user-friendly, offering intuitive tools for both beginners and experienced traders. The educational resources are vast, and they even provide detailed reports from Merrill Lynch to guide your investing decisions. For long-term investors, Merrill Edge's commission-free stock and ETF trades make it a cost-effective choice. However, it's important to consider the downsides. Merrill Edge's advanced tools and charting features may feel limited if you're a seasoned trader. Also, compared to some competitors, their customer support can be a bit slow at times, and you won't find any futures or crypto trading options on the platform. Now, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Returning to Merrill Edge. The service also features financial guidance with Merrill advisors if you're looking for more hands-on assistance. The pricing structure is straightforward. No annual account fees and low margin rates. But be aware of the higher fees for options trading. If you're looking to trade on Merrill Edge, setting up an account is simple, and you'll have access to solid research tools, plus a mobile app that lets you trade on the go. Overall, it's a great option if you're seeking a trusted platform that's integrated with your Bank of America account. However, if you're someone who needs a broader range of assets, like futures or cryptocurrency, you might find it limiting. If this review was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more trading insights.